Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly and welcome back to our 10-minute challenge Tuesday, you guys. I'm so excited that you guys are participating, that you're letting me know that this is really helping you guys, and it's reminding you of little areas where sometimes we forget or we oversee for a while. And so these 10-minute challenge are here to motivate you, to get you organized, you guys. And so I let you guys know on Sunday, I put an announcement out there basically letting you guys know that every video this week is going to be about guiding you guys into a smooth transition, stress-free and anxiety-free, entertaining for the holidays, you guys. So we're gonna be doing meal plans. We're gonna be talking about how to prepare for these holidays and how to keep you guys within a good time and a good budget and good planning, so that when you have your holiday events, you guys, everybody's looking at you like, this person really knows what they're doing. They have their stuff together, right? Not that entertainer that's running around stressed out, you know, missing half of the things or forgetting half of the things. No. We're not doing that anymore. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a guide and I'm gonna let you know what to do and when to do it. And if you guys follow my guide, you're definitely going to ease into the holiday season very, very smoothly. Now that being said, today's 10-minute challenge is in accordance with our meal preparation, and you're probably looking right behind me, right? So you guys kind of get a hint of what's going on, right? We're gonna tackle our spice cabinet, you guys. So in this 10-minute challenge, 10 minutes, I want you guys to put your alarm on and make sure that you're only doing it for 10 minutes. I don't want you to get stressed out, and I want you to go through your spices. We're gonna check for expiration dates, and you don't have to check every single spice. You know what spices you've had for, you know, a year or two. If you've had it more than 2 years, you need to toss that baby, all right? So we're gonna check our expiration dates. We're gonna jot down also, what are we running low on? Do you have spices that you use a lot and you see them going down and down and down, and you have maybe this much left? So you want to write down the spices that you're low on, the spices that you're probably missing or that you're going to need. Hopefully you guys are working on your meal plan already, you know, having an idea of what you're going to be making. And also when you make those meal plans, you want to make sure that you write down the ingredients under each item that you want to make. And that way we can start collecting all the ingredients way ahead of time, you guys. And this is one of the ingredients that we can definitely collect ahead of time, okay? You can collect it a month or 2 months. So when you do need it, you actually have it and you're not running around like a chicken without a head. And that's the whole purpose of this week's videos, you guys. So that being said, let's get into the challenge. Set an alarm for 10 minutes.
Okay, I set an alarm for 1:41 p.m.
All right, guys, let's get going. So what I like to do is put all of my baking stuff in the back. Whatever I don't use often, just so that I have room here, I'm gonna put it right back here. These little elevated spice racks, and that way it saves me a lot of time, and I'm using this space right beneath here, and it looks a lot nicer, you guys, and much more organized than having everything out. My bigger items, I like to keep them onto the side. And this is what I'm talking about when it comes to preparation. This one is currently being used, and this is my spare. Once I open this one up, I'll go and buy a replacement spare, because this is something that I use a lot, almost every day in my cooking. The extra ones, I want to make sure that I put it towards the back, and then the new one towards the front. So I want to have a section also for spicy stuff. And this keeps me organized in reference to when I'm trying to find something. It's a lot easier to find it by categories, in my opinion. Now there's some people who like to alphabetize their spices, and that's perfectly okay. But I'm the type of person that likes to have categories rather than actual alphabetizing. And spices that I don't use very often, but I like to keep on hand, I'm gonna keep towards this back corner over here. My bay leaves, my basil, my oregano, anything that has to do with kind of herbal. I mean, they're all herbs, but you know what I'm saying, like the leafy, you know, now the basil, oregano, bay leaves. We can add sage here. I did buy sage for a recent recipe, and I haven't even opened it, you guys, but I'll add that there. I want a section for my sweeter ingredients, so anything like cinnamon, ginger, pumpkin spice, and these I'm actually going to probably double here. My vanilla extract. Mustard goes back here. This is my rosemary. Peppers. These are items that I use pretty much every day. My garlic salt, my onion powder, and my garlic powder. This system makes sense to me, you guys. Do what makes sense to you. I don't want everybody thinking that just because I'm doing things a certain way, that that's how they have to do it. This is a Larry's seasoned salt. I've used this one time on a recipe. I've never tried this, but one of the recipes required this, so it's okay. To me, it doesn't have too much of a seasoning, but you know, hey, I want all of my salts to be together. Very, very important, guys. I want you to go ahead and add this to your list if you don't already have. Toothpicks, you use a lot of this during the holiday season, so we want to make sure that we're fully stocked on that. You're going to use it for your hams, to add your cherries. You're going to be using it for a lot of things, guys, so make sure that you have toothpicks on hand. And so these are also marinating spices for barbecue. And then we have our good old pepper, black pepper. And these are my traveling ones. These are usually the ones that I travel with. And then any kind of seasoned package that I have here, again, I'm gonna use the space right below the spice rack to keep them organized. I'm gonna be using this in today's recipe, so I'm gonna use the remaining of the actual ranch. And then thyme, I rarely use it, so I always buy a little tiny pack. These little 59-cent packs. And this is still good. These little travel things I'm gonna put out the way, right underneath. So that is it, you guys. My spice rack is organized. I have a better understanding of what is needed. I actually want to make an adjustment really quick now. Here goes my OCD, guys. I kind of think this makes more sense, so that this is a little bit more organized back here. But that's it. That is my spice rack. Super excited, you guys. My alarm just went off about 30 seconds ago. And that's okay. If you go over a little bit, it's not bad. Sometimes in these challenges, we're gonna stay in the 10 minutes. Sometimes we'll go over just a little. But the idea is to get it done within a time frame so that we're not dreading it. And I'm so glad that I got to this, you guys. It needed a little attention. I only have a little bit of spices that I'm gonna get rid of, and my sugar. That's actually sugar, you guys. I like to keep them in those containers instead of the original packages. When I have leftovers, I'm moving that into my baking section in my pantry since I haven't used it. This is expired, and this has so little bit in it that I'm either gonna transfer the remaining into the other bottle if I could. If not, I'm just gonna toss it because it's just a very minimal that's in there. I don't want it taking up space. But that being said, I love it, you guys. I'm so excited. Let me know what you guys think. So if you guys are doing this challenge, let me know down below how it went for you. I'm super happy. I got this done in 10 minutes and 30 seconds, you guys. But it's done and it's out the way, and we still have about a month and a half to our holiday entertaining, so it's already done. I don't have to worry about it anymore. And now I can go back and make a list of everything that I'm missing or everything that I'm running low on, and go ahead and add it over to my cart at Walmart, okay? So that's what I'm doing this week. I showed you guys that video yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and click the link below, and I'll also leave it at the end of this video so you can also catch up on that, okay? That's another budget and time-saving tip for you guys. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay? I hope this is motivating you, and I hope this is getting you guys on track for an easy and anxiety and stress-free holiday entertaining. And whatever you guys are doing, let me know. If you guys organize in a different way, let me know below what's working for you. My strategy is to do category by category. So I put everything in light groups. So when I want to find something in the sweet section because I'm baking a pie, I'm not gonna go to the spicy section. I know that everything's gonna be in that sweet section. It just makes sense to me in my head. If you guys are, you know, like alphabetizers, let me know below. If you guys do containers, like to have little individual box for different categories, let me know. Whatever it is that you're doing and it's working for you, comment below so that we can help each other in this wonderful community and give each other different ideas on how to do things, okay? So that being said, I am so appreciative of every single one of you. Every single one of you. You guys warm my heart so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.